Hey everybody, it's me again. Yes, for my lovely post-market wrap-up, Thursday, June 28th, 2018. All right, so a few things I want to cover here. Number one, they made sure they hit gold today, they hit silver today, and they hit cryptocurrencies as well. Earlier, all of these assets were kind of flat. Well, they all ended in the negative. Crude oil, of course, put on a nice gain, over $73 a barrel. Dollar was flat. Could you imagine if the dollar were losing value right now, what crude oil would be? I don't know, 80? More than that? It's going to get ugly pretty soon, there's no doubt about it. And we're not just talking about gasoline or oil for whatever you might need it for. We're talking about food. We're talking about anything shipped by a vehicle. It's all going to start costing more. It's unbelievable. Stocks. Volatile day, but for the most part, higher. Not by much, honestly. I mean, the biggest gainer here was the NASDAQ that put on almost 1%. I think actually 0.8 or 0.79%. Towards the end of the day, the market did sell off. We had a pretty nice rally. Actually, in the middle of the day, around 10, I bought calls on SPY. I held them for about an hour and a half. I got rid of it, made a small profit there, nothing great. I was tempted to short this market towards the end of the day, but I said, no shorting for me. I just couldn't bring myself to do it. If I had, I would have done okay. The market started to sell off towards the end of the day, but look, I want to keep it simple for myself. I'm not going to be, right now, just buying calls, waiting for those dips and then buying it on the uptrend. That's it. So we'll see. I'll probably do the same thing tomorrow. No shorting for me yet. When I do, I'll let you all know. So look here, the market here again exists in fantasy land of truly epic proportions, and there's no doubt about it. But the environment of risk is still being maintained. All you have to do is look at the 10-year yield, and you can see, and I talked about this earlier. I explained I had no idea earlier today what this market was going to do. So I just sat there and I watched it progress throughout the day. And I said, hey, it's picking up a positive bias, like I said. So around 10, I bought some calls on SPY. I held them for about an hour and a half or so. Only trade I made today. One trade. That's it. All right. So with that said, let's keep an eye on these things here and try to figure out how we can stay in front of it. That's it. See you in the morning.